Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jenna, and today we're going to be doing a Purpl Lux fragrance subscription unboxing. Now, the last time I did this was a couple weeks ago, and I said that was my July subscription. I believe it was. My August one was early getting to me. I was going to do other videos and save this till we were officially in August, but I'm still waiting on some stuff to come in the mail, so I figured I'd go ahead and get this one done now. Purpl Lux is the fragrance subscription for the website fragrancenet.com, which is a discount fragrance site. And each month they will send you one travel size fragrance, which is about 8 milliliters and equivalent to about 125 sprays. So that is supposed to be enough for 1 month trial of a fragrance. Now this subscription is $14.95 monthly, or if you do the annual subscription, it's $9.95 per month. There are some additional fees if you pick a premium fragrance, so sometimes it's an additional $5 for that fragrance or an additional $10 depending. The website will list whether a fragrance is considered premium or not and whether or not there are any additional fees. There are hundreds of fragrances to choose from. We all know fragrance buying, especially blind buying, can get real expensive and doesn't always go in your favor. It can be a waste of money, and this is a great way to try out new stuff before you commit to a full bottle. And each travel size perfume will come in a travel canister that looks like this, maybe a different color than this, but it's the same style every time. That is a twist up spray, twist down to prevent any leaking or other issues during travel. So this is what the Purpl Lux envelope looks like. It's just a small little bubble mailer that your perfume will come in. Now the fragrance I got this month was Creed Spring Flower. Now, I don't know if you guys are aware, but Creed is a very, extremely expensive fragrance brand. I've never tried anything from them before, mostly because of how expensive it is. Though I've heard rave reviews about a lot of their fragrances. They're supposed to be spectacular. They're supposed to be some of the most interesting and, coveted fragrances out there. But I'm not going to spend the money to buy a whole bottle and not know what it smells like. And there's not a ton of places where you can go and test out these fragrances. I think Nordstrom and so forth, but I don't have one of those close to me. So blind buying was not an option. So that's why I like these fragrance subscriptions, because you can try out stuff that you don't have access to, that are super expensive, to see if you even like it. And honestly, with all the fragrances I have, I probably, even if I love this, won't need anything bigger than this, at least not for a long time, because I have too much to go through. So it really works out best for me in the end. Now, when I say Creed is expensive, I mean it, because let me tell you, a 1 ounce bottle of this fragrance right here costs $230. I mean, wow. I don't spend $230 on almost anything. A flight, a vacation, a makeup haul where I'm getting tons of different products. But one perfume? This would have to be the most magical thing I've ever smelled for me to want to spend that kind of money. And like I said, this travel spray is probably all I'll need anyway for years at this point with how much fragrance I have. Would you guys pay that? Even if you loved it? I don't know, you tell me. So I haven't smelled this yet, so let's give this a sniff and see if it is really worth $230. Because I'm feeling quite skeptical, guys. I don't know about you, but let's go. Let's see. Doing one spray. Okay, I can already smell it from here. Let's give this a second, because I have a feeling this is going to be a strong one. Give it a second to settle. I was correct. Like way too strong. It's extremely floral, which I guess is to be expected. It's called Spring Flower, so I don't know what else I was expecting. But it's almost uncomfortably floral. for me, at least my tastes. If you are a floral lover, including strong florals, then this probably would be right up your alley, but this is like kind of a headachy floral to me. There's like something dry underneath there. There's a dryness to the base of the scent, because you're smacked with the floral and then there's just like this dry woodiness underneath. And maybe a little bit of like oceany scent, but not a lot. The floral overpowers all of it. In doing my research for this video, I did look up the scent notes, and this was not what I was expecting. Like, I expected floral. That's a given. But this was not what I was expecting. The top notes are apple, melon, and peach, and I'm not getting that in any way, shape, or form. I have no clue where this apple, peach, and melon is, because that's quite a lot. And it's top notes, so that should have been what hit me first, or at least been, you know, mingled in with the initial fragrance that I got from it. This is drying down now, so that would be gone at this point, and I never once smelled peach, melon, any kind of fruit. The middle notes are jasmine and rose. I think it's the jasmine is the really, really strong, headachy floral that I'm getting. Like I'm starting to get like one of those like pinpoint headaches. It's like right here. So I might need to stop sniffing this. And the base notes are musk and ambergris. So a little bit of that like woodiness underneath is probably the ambergris, and maybe the musk is giving a little bit of an oceany scent. I don't know. I think because I saw the top notes of fruit, I thought this would be a floral that I would like. That it would be, you know, dampened or tampered down by some fruitiness. And it's just not. It's just like super straight floral. So all I can say is that I am 110 million% glad I did not spend $230 on this. I'm kind of mad that I spent $14.95 on this, honestly, because I won't ever wear this. This is too strong for me. So guys, this is probably going to be up on my Mercari. I don't know when, but I'll try to get it up soon. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do any of you have this scent? Do you love it? What am I missing about it? Is my nose just not catching the fruitiness? Do you guys smell the fruitiness? Am I just blind to it or something? Or what is it? Anosmic, as they call it? Like that when you're blind to certain scents that are other people smell or are supposed to be super present in something, you're anosmic. Maybe I'm anosmic to the fruit in it. Am I being too harsh in this fragrance? Is this like the most coveted Creed scent? And if not, what Creed scents do you recommend that are not this, that are not overly floral? Recommend me something that's watery, not coconutty, but watery, fresh, light, citrusy, green notes. Those are the stuff I like. So if there's any Creed fragrances that fall in that category that you love, put it in the comments down below, because I want to give this brand another chance. It's so expensive that it's hard, so I want to make sure I pick one that is going to be at my alley. So this is a short video today. That's all I got for you guys. I'll have some more interesting videos coming up soon, hopefully for you guys. Otherwise, I hope you liked today's video. If you did, think about leaving a comment or a like, and consider subscribing. I'd really love to have you here. If not, that's okay. I'm glad you came by and checked out today's video, and I hope I will see you again in the future. Bye, guys.